Victoria, and I'm back with another video. I feel like it's been a while since I've had a video like this for you guys where I've actually just kind of sat down and stuff. Like, I've been vlogging a lot and doing a lot of other types of videos just for, you know, the season and everything like that. But today I'm going to come with you guys with a video that I've not really done on my channel, but I'm definitely probably going to start doing these videos now on my channel simply because I just think that it's fun. If you guys are new to my channel, please be sure to subscribe. That way you guys could be a part of my journey as far as growing as a bigger and better YouTuber. And make sure you guys also hit that notification bell. That way you guys can be notified of every time that I upload. Alright guys, so let's just get straight into this whole video and everything because I can't wait to show you guys everything that I got. So just so you guys are aware, I got all of this stuff from either Dollar Tree or the 99-cent store, so it's very affordable and very inexpensive. And it was just like a couple different things that I decided to pick up because I was like, why not? Let me try it. It's only $1 or 99 cents, so why not, you know? So the first two things that I picked up was planners, and they look like this. There's pretty much just one that's blue and one that's red. And I think that what I'm going to do is I'm going to label one and put one as one that I put motivational quotes and things in that I could put for Twitter and stuff like that. Because if you guys do not follow me on Twitter, my Twitter I will have on the bottom of the screen. But I usually like to put a motivational quote every day. And I like to have that up just for not only inspiration for myself, but also inspiration for others as well that stumble upon my page. So I like to do that. And the other one, it will just be like a to-do list. So then I can have like, you know, anything and everything that I need to do throughout the week and throughout the day, I will have them written in another planner. And I just really like having planners and things like that simply because I think that it makes things all the more easy and stuff like that to get more organized throughout the day and stuff like that. So I'm definitely going to have the both of these and keep these two. And guys, if you guys were wondering, this hair, I do have a video on this hair. I will have it in the eye as well as in the description box down below. But yeah, I have a whole video on it. Oh, and one more thing about these planners. They're not like the best types of planners, but I just feel like because, you know, they're planners and things like that, they at least have in it what I need for it to have. So that's all that I'm really caring about in this whole instance. And I also picked those planners up from the 99-cent store, and they were only 99 cents. So sticking with the kind of like planner type thing, I have this kind of like dry erase type calendar. Now I already have, it is a bad glare guys, I'm sorry, but this is a dry erase type calendar. And I already have a calendar for the year that I'm going to put up and everything like that. But I just wanted to have this one as well because I feel like this one I can easily erase things off of it. Or maybe also put another couple of different quotes or things like that on there as well. And if anything, this might just be a calendar for my subscriber count on YouTube just so I can make monthly and weekly little goals. So I might just do that with this calendar, and I might just keep changing it every year and just crossing out the 2020 or whatever. But then again, it's kind of like, you know, it might not work, okay? But yeah, it does come with that little marker down there as well. So yeah, this was from the 99-cent store as well, only 99 cents. Okay guys, so that was pretty much all that I picked up from the 99-cent store. Let's go ahead and move on to the finds that I found at Dollar Tree. So the first thing that I picked up was this little spin brush type thing because I definitely want to take care of my skin a little bit more better. This is a battery operated little spin brush thingy. And I just kind of feel like what I'm going to start doing is just using my daily wash or whatever that I do use for my face, which I might do a review on that very, very soon. And I'm just going to use the spin brush with it, so then that way I can get more of a deeper cleaning and things on my face. And yeah, I will be using it. So let me know if you guys want a review on me using this and like a tutorial on me using this, and then I'll give my overall thoughts and everything since it is from Dollar Tree, just so you guys can see if it's worth it or not, and we'll maybe do like a stash or trash on it. So another thing that I picked up from there was these Allure Pore Clarifying Witch Hazel Wipes. These are facial cleansing wipes, and there's about 30 of them in here. I'm thinking that for nighttime, since I get really lazy sometimes and neglect washing my face, just maybe wiping my face with these and then putting on some moisturizer and calling it a day. So I'm thinking that that's what I'll start doing with these. So let me also know if you guys want me to do a nighttime type of routine or whatever, and we could use these and try these things out together. And then once again, we can do a stash or tries to see if these things are even worth it. So yeah, we can do a lot of different things with these little things, okay? So let's get into the next one. All right, guys, so another thing that I picked up was this Jade facial roller. Now, it looks like this. Now, it's really hard to kind of see it because of the glare and everything from the sun. It's like it's a gloomy day, plus not a gloomy day, plus, you know, just the weather's all over the place. But it's pretty much like a facial roller thing, and you can pretty much rub it and roll it all over your face. So I'm not going to use it on my face right now just because I do want to kind of like wipe it down maybe and sterilize it. But I do want to open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. So here's what it looks like, guys. It's really cute. I love the little marbling on it. Plus it's also jade. And you just kind of roll it up and down on your skin, and it would be for my face. So I would do that for my face. But yeah, so this is a cool little thing that you can use for like wrinkles and stuff like that. So I'll start rolling it under my eyes and everything else, all over my cheeks and stuff like that. So yeah, I got this little roller also from the Dollar Tree, only for $1. Oh guys, it actually says what you can use it for. It says that it relaxes facial muscles and nerves, reduces wrinkles, speed up blood circulation, tightens skin elasticity. And then it says how to use: wash face, then roll Jade roller twice daily, morning and night. Use favorite essential oils to maximize results. And I do have rosehip oil as well as vitamin E oil, so I might start using that on my face to see if I see a significant change. And you guys can also let me know if you guys see a significant change. And yeah, that was from the Dollar Tree. Okay guys, so I also picked up these makeup wipes. Now I know what you guys are probably thinking, Victoria, you barely even wear makeup, so what are you using makeup wipes for? I will show you, and trust me, it's nothing too crazy. It's something that I've been saying that I wanted to use on my channel for a while now. So I just picked up some of these so it could be easier to, you know, remove everything. But yeah, I got some makeup wipes. Okay guys, I'm so excited to show you guys these next products that I got, because this is the main reason as to why I got the makeup wipes. But I got 3 pairs of eyelashes because I wanted some eyelashes. And I also got some eyelash glue to go along with it. So they had different sorts and types of eyelashes and things there. They had some from LA Colors as well as some from Wet n Wild. But I decided to get the LA Colors ones because they just looked like more well put together. So I got them in the styles Dolly, which look like this. That's just kind of like a more everyday, well, a little bit amped up than everyday. Then I got the dainty ones, which these ones are more like everyday, because as you guys can see, you barely see any lashes and things there. So I think I might do these for Christmas, just like the regular ones. But it depends on what I'm wearing too, so we'll see. And then I got the Diva ones. So these ones are like, oh my gosh, like in it to win it. Like, look at me, baby. So those are those. And with the lash adhesive, it dries clear, it's latex free, and it's long wearing. Now these, they came with 2 little ones in there. So now I have the glue to go with it, so I can't wait to try those out. Super excited. Then to go with that, I also picked up a mascara. This one is a Wet n Wild mascara. It says Wet n Wild Full Healthy Lashes, soy protein enriched with panthenol, clean definition. It's supposed to enhance and define, so that's great. I don't need it to be long wearing or anything like that. I just really wanted it to voluminize my eyes and everything. So I'm gonna really be using these mainly for the bottom lashes and just to kind of mesh the fake lashes with my real lashes. So I honestly cannot wait to try these out. Yeah, I'm so excited. And last but not least, the last thing that I got was an eyelash curler, just to once again kind of help with kind of meshing together my real lashes with the fake ones. So I can't wait to kind of use these too. So I just tried to pick up everything that I knew that I would need to make my eyelashes look cute. So I can't wait to get into it, guys. I'm definitely going to be taking pictures and things like that so you guys can see it. So make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so you guys can see everything. And yeah, period. Alright guys, so that is pretty much the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to tell me which product was your favorite and give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys get this video to about 15 likes, then I'll go ahead and go back to Dollar Tree and go pick up some more little items and things like that I find, and I'll do another little haul thing for you guys. If you guys definitely like videos like this, I will definitely keep producing these types of videos for you. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Please be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be listed in the description box down below, as well as in the outro, and I'll have them here on the screen. Alright guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!